Now from my guest computer, I can see everything of the remote computer. Here you can see I can work and I can control it. Okay, here it is. I refresh the remote computer. I go to the remote computer and I can see the hard disk. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video training you will get a complete step-by-step guide on how you can use Anydesk software to access a remote computer. I will show you the following steps. Step number 1, how to download and launch Anydesk software. Step number 2, how to connect to computers using Anydesk software. Step number 3, how to manage a remote computer using Anydesk. So let's get started. And before we start, make sure you watch the video till to the end. Firstly, download Anydesk software. Okay friends, to download it, open up your favorite browser and go to anydesk.com. Here I am on the website anydesk.com, and on the front page you will see download button. You can download from here for macOS version, but if you need Anydesk for another operating system, go to downloads and here you will see available options. You can download for Windows, Android, iOS, Linux, and some other operating systems. Okay, I'm going to download it for macOS version. Just click this button and the file will be downloaded very soon. Now it is time to launch Anydesk. To launch it, you have to find out the file location. I'm going to open it. It has been downloaded here. To open it, just double click on this file. I'm going to double click on it, and so to install Anydesk on macOS, it is very simple. So drag Anydesk and drop to application. To open Anydesk, go to application and click on Anydesk. Then it will be opened. And here you see interface of Anydesk. On the left, here you can see this disk, and here you can see an ID number. This is a unique ID number, and this ID will be used to access my computer. And here you can see the remote disk, and enter the ID of the expected remote computer to connect it. Okay, so friends, let's see my remote computer. You can access the remote computer of your sibling or your friends to work with that computer. Okay, on the left, here you can see my computer, and on the right, here you can see the remote computer that I will access now. Okay, make sure the remote computer also has Anydesk program. Okay, now double click on Anydesk, and this is the ID of the remote computer. Okay, to access the remote computer, I will have to type the ID here. Okay, here it is. And I'm going to click connect. And on the right side, on the remote computer, here is any window, and it asks to accept the permission. Okay, so we will accept it. Now, two computers are connected using Anydesk. On the left side, my computer, and on the right side, the remote computer. Now, I can work or manage the remote computer. On the remote computer, here you can see the chat option and the file transfer option. Okay, I have successfully completed step number 2. Just connected two computers. Now from my guest computer, I can see everything of the remote computer. Here you can see I can work and I can control it. Okay, here it is. I refresh the remote computer. I go to the remote computer and I can see the hard disk. So let's create the folder on the remote. So right click and remote folder. So instantly you can see on the right side, I'm going to open a browser of the remote computer and search for anything, artificial intelligence and robotics channel. Okay, now you can do any kind of jobs. That means you have full control over the remote computer. That's fine. Let's see some options. First of all, here you can see the screen. Here you can see the sent file C. Here you can see chat. Here you can see action and display mode. Some other options. If I click here, here you can see this is my device and this is the remote computer. I'm going to send some files. Here you can go to the directories and from the remote computer you can define the directory that the file to be sent. So send this file to the documents folder. Just I'm going to click it and right click on it and then upload, and instantly it is automatically sent to the remote computer. Okay, if I access the remote computer on the right side, Here you can see the file transfer and received. So I can see. So on the other option, if I want to receive a file on the guest computer, just click on the file from the remote computer, then choose the folder that I'm going to receive, then click on the file. After that, you should have to download it. Then, if I'm going to check it, you again, I will see the file. So, I received the file. So, you can easily transfer a file using Anydesk. Let's see how we can chat. Just click on it, and here you can type everything. On the action, you can take a screenshot or you can restart a remote device. That's fantastic. Okay, the keyboard is default, and if you see the display setting, there is options. There are many options, and you can see the full screen mode, original, shrink. So you can choose from these options. And that's all. I could show you how you can download and launch Anydesk. And I showed you how you just connect to computer and control a remote PC and how you send and receive files, how you can chat, and some basic tasks. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like this video and leave your comments in the comment box below. Hit the subscribe button to get the upcoming videos like this. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.